Good evening, friends. Welcome to another analysis session for Nifty and Finnifty. Finnifty, I'm doing it for tomorrow's expiry. It's a monthly expiry for Finnifty. Setup looks very interesting. Bank Nifty hit all-time high, but Finnifty is actually trading around its resistance, right? For tomorrow, this particular chart is looking good. It has not taken out the all-time highs. The reason probably is some of the components of Finnifty like HDFC were also not bullish today, right? There is a shooting star in Bank Nifty, there is a shooting star in Finnifty as well. The difference is there, the shooting star is above the breakout level. Here it is actually at the resistance. It's a confirmation setup. We'll see where we can enter the trade. Friends, again, I am saying these are recommendations. Go through our disclaimer. We are providing all these things basis our technical study. These are for educational purpose. If you are taking any decision, this is your hard-earned capital. Please ensure that you are consulting a financial advisor and making a decision. Coming back to Finnifty chart, friends, the entire day the price action was within the opening candle, right? If you see 15-minute opening candle did not break up or down. Now for tomorrow, don't look at this trend line and get fooled thinking that this will, if it opens flat, I will go long, right? The reason is it's still at a resistance. Personally, I am trying to see if we can get a short below these levels, right? Any opening between 19,560 to 523, if it consolidates 15 minutes and breaks this, you have targets of 19,466, 19,430 and 19,389, right? These are the three targets that I am seeing. Gap up opening, any opening above 9,570, between 9,570 and 610, it should consolidate for 15 to 20 minutes, then only take a long trade. A gap up beyond that, a big gap up like today, you will have to wait for price action and take a trade. Finnifty looks weak basis the chart, right? And again, debt ceiling issue still needs to be resolved, right? So personally, we are sitting light on indices and stock options both. For stocks, right, we don't want to recommend anything for next 2 days. Wait and watch and see. On Thursday onwards, right, we'll get a clear trend. Auto stocks are bearish for us. We have suggested a Maruti put, which has given a good result today. In the batch also we gave, in the group also we gave, right? So we are looking for some sort of dip or correction here. We'll get a clear picture after Wednesday night, right? So we'll wait and watch. But Finnifty, I hope these levels are clear. For people who are also looking at some bit of component analysis, right? Barring HDFC, everything else has been analyzed in our Bank Nifty charts. Please go through it. HDFC also below 2683 is looking weak for a correction till 2660. Guys, for tomorrow, if I were to look at, so again, Finnifty chart is showing some bearish signs. Components are showing some profit booking. Personally, if I want to buy a put, this put, if it doesn't open below 77 and doesn't open above 97 in this 20-point range, if it consolidates and takes out, right, we are looking at this target of 121 and right up to 208, right? This could be a good trade to enter, right? We are looking at consolidation and then move. If you see, right, it's forming a higher low. It needs to higher low and lower highs, right? Here it took a breakout, now it is taking a support. For tomorrow, if you see any movement beyond this, it will be a good trade. I will go to 19,500 CE instead of 19,600 CE. That may look good. Monthly expiry, rollover of contracts. Here, right, again, ideally, I do not want to see a, so again, a gap up opening in this call also, right, above 90. You can wait for a retest till 79 or 75, right, and take a trade keeping 62 as stop loss. I am personally not convinced with this. There are a lot of resistances up, right? If there is a CE trade in Finnifty, I will come in Telegram and I'll give it, right? Coming to Nifty now. Nifty, a very interesting pattern, right? A Nifty, a very interesting pattern formed in the morning. It opened and actually it has given a close. It was actually trading below, right? Nifty per se, we were hoping for targets of 18,600. They have been met. It's a box in Nifty. It's a box in Nifty. And friends, if you actually look at Reliance chart, it will give you a clue, right? Reliance was bullish throughout the day. Bank Nifty gave it a fillip, but other segments started falling. So Nifty tomorrow, if it opens flat below 18,570, you can short it for the targets of 504. above 18,639, above 18,630. So look at 640, 645, right? That will be a good trade. You can actually go long for the targets of 18,680 and 18,712. Personally, I am seeing some, as I said that on yesterday as well, right? These levels of 18,670 won't easily be taken out. There's doji which has been formed here, right? And then a good profit booking game. This one will take some consolidation before it goes out, right? There is a runaway, there is a good gap created here. Tomorrow, Finnifty expiry, the moves will be crushed, but I think the Finnifty will give you a better return. Bank Nifty and Nifty could actually grind you, right? So just be cautious. Let's get into the component charts to see if components have a story. Clearly, this was a big gap up, so there is a correction of 150 points from the top. Nifty IT interestingly showed some good profit booking. We were hoping it will continue to go up, right? Gap up opening. Generally, I don't like big gap ups. This one had opened 300-point gap up, right? Roughly 270. It's come down, right? For tomorrow, Nifty IT could take a support around 29,115, right? Rest all minor here and there. Nifty metal actually showed some profit booking because of news coming out of China. So now let's wait and see, guys, tomorrow how this entire thing pans out. If I look at the stocks that we had suggested, we have got profits in everything. SRF we said could continue. For people who have not entered, to enter here, it has given good returns of 30 points. Tech Mahindra, we were expecting more, to be very honest. In the morning, given it opened big gap up, I suggested do not chase. The stop losses have not been hit here, but again, it was not an entry. Reliance gave us an entry at 2,507. It gave us a profit of 16, 18 points. Again, a trade which was flat, 18 points, right? So now we are sitting light. We are not recommended anything to anyone. The only trade that we have seen is Maruti, where we have recommended a short entry. We have recommended a short entry in Maruti, right? And if you see the daily chart actually tells the story. There is possibility of a bearish, there is a bearish engulfing below 9,305. You could see a good correction of 250 to 200 points, right? So again, it's formed at resistance. It is taking a support here which used to be a breakout level earlier, but now bearish engulfing, right? Any confirmation pattern here, you will see a good 200 250 point downfall. There are auto numbers which are supposed to be released on Wednesday. Wednesday is also date when the debt ceiling data will be raised, right? So for now, stay light on the stocks, guys. This is the only one that we have recommended. The other one we had recommended was Apollo Hospital. Apollo Hospital, if you see, right, very good pattern. I explained it in YouTube live as well, right? It's actually trying to break out. Any move above 4680, this will actually move towards 4,800. Again, the reason why we recommended this call option was also Apollo generally moves big candles, right? If you see, it moves with 200 300 point velocity. You would not get an entry if you don't enter early, right? These are the only two recommended stock picks that we had. We have posted it on the group. I would not analyze any stocks for the next 2 days, right? We'll restrict it to Bank Nifty and Nifty. Today, because of expiry, we have also taken up Finnifty and explained a couple of charts, right? Friends, that's it from my side. Again, go through our disclaimer. For people who are watching the video and have not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button and switch on the notification, hit the bell icon. Whenever we are doing live sessions, you will get the notifications. Live sessions are for education purpose only. We teach setup, we talk about the trend and direction of the market. I also pick up certain stocks for analysis basis, people's recommendation. Bank Nifty and Nifty, both, whichever trades get generated, I try to generate. Given the preference of people is towards Bank Nifty as it is more volatile, I try to analyze Bank Nifty more. Friends, for people who have not watched our bank, so we release Bank Nifty and Nifty videos separately. Please watch and plan your trades in both the space, right? There is a Telegram link which is also there in the description box. Please try to join our Telegram link. We recommend stocks and we recommend calls. Again, a disclaimer: go through your financial advisor. It is your hard-earned capital. The disclaimers are there on the Telegram link as well. It's a good link where we share chart. There are more than 500 plus members. You can learn something from there. We typically analyze gold, certain currency pairs, stock options, bank Nifty options, Nifty options, and pre-open intraday stock options, right? People are making good money out of that, taking their own call, learning with us. For now, this is it, friends. Please, if you are liking the quality of the content that we are posting on a daily basis, share it with your friends and family members. We have organically grown. We are 960 odd members. We are seeing the views on our daily analysis, right, gradually increasing, it motivates us to keep posting quality content. I will try these days mentoring program is also going on, so we want to be focused and give a value to our mentees as well. I'll try and put one video on RSI divergence sometime on Saturday or Sunday to just get the learning series going. I posted couple of setups and now I wanted to just go to RSI divergence to help people understand indicators and where indicators trap you, how to avoid those traps. Friends, for now, this is it. I hope everyone is enjoying. Tomorrow is Tuesday, Finnifty expiry. Be careful, be cautious. We will try to come live, but till then, good evening from us, good night. In case there are certain people who are joining us from Australia, we will meet tomorrow. Thank you, guys.